Right, I'm going to take this fall pipe apart because the customer's asked me if I can connect it back because it keeps falling out of here. So I can see as I move this here, I can see water. So I bet this is full. I'm just going to take it off now. I've got a feeling I'm going to get soaked. So let's see what happens when I lift it out. I can definitely see water there. I'll try not do it unsafely. Oh, it feels heavy as well. There's an aerial post. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen. Wow, that is full to the top. Whoa, man alive. I can't connect that and leave that. Flipping heck. And no wonder I think somebody's been and taken it off so it doesn't fill up anymore. I'm going to have to take it off at the bottom. Let's go down and have a look. Oh, let's take this out. Let's have a look. I'm going to get soaked here. I know I am. Let's see what's happening if it comes out. I don't do these that often, so... Oh, that's blocked, is that? Wow. It's falling apart, it's really heavy. Whew. Come on, it's gonna come, surely. Let's get this coming out. Whoa, I'm getting soaked from the top. Oh. Wow, come on, come out. Oh, it's solid. That's been a while. Flipping heck. Can you give this a kick or something? Come on. Come out. I think I'm going to have to dig that. I'm just making this a bit lighter. That is solid there. I'm going to try and get it out. See if I can bang it out. It's just solid. Oh, washing lines, I hate them. It's slowly dropping out. I've emptied the water out now, so it shouldn't gush out. It should just drop out. It's only the bottom end now. That's. It won't come out, so I took the fall pipe out off the side of the house. Come on, it's coming out in small amounts, but at least it is coming out. I'll stick this in here. See if this loosens it a little bit. It should come out, come on. Oh, washing line again. Annoying. Come on, there we are. Right, that feels lighter now, so I'm going to see if I can see right through it. Yep, I can see through that. Wow, all that came out of it. Right, I've cleared the downpipe. and I've put it all back together. I've had to put a tiny screw through it so it holds up because it kept falling back down. So now I'm going to crack on with the gutter clearance, and that's all my equipment ready to go. So let's crack on and get this done. Right guys, that's that gutter clearance done. I don't know what's wrong with my microphone at the moment, but I'm expecting a new camera and microphone coming. I've ordered a new one, the latest version, so hopefully that'll work. But yeah, my microphone's not working, so I don't know what's gone wrong. I'll have to have a look, see if it's just lost its connection or something. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.